Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss some other models in the pair of straight lines. Already these questions are previously asked in that advanced level and mains level. So please all of you listen this. So this question is area of the triangle formed by the line x plus y is equals to 3 and the angular bisectors of the pair of lines pair of straight lines x square minus y square plus 2y is equals to 1. See, here you take that the given equation is x square minus y square plus 2y is equals to 1. This problem we can do in the two methods. So in both of the methods you have to choose that very simple method. That is that nothing but x square is equals to, you write that y square minus 2y plus 1 is 1. So that implies x square is equals to, this one you can write that y minus 1 whole square. So from this one you can write that x is equals to plus or minus y minus 1. Okay, so these are the two lines represented by the given pair of straight line. So one line will be nothing but x is equals to y plus x is equals to y minus 1. That means x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. And another line will be x is equals to minus of y minus 1 means x plus y minus 1 is equals to 0. So only these are the factors of the given pair of equation. Now you draw that figure related to this one. See, here is that this one is that x axis and this one is the y axis. Now this equation will be makes that equal intercepts. X intercept is that 1 and the y intercept is also 1. Okay, this one is that lies in that first quadrant. And next one is here x intercept is that negative, y intercept is positive. So here is that x intercept is 1, y intercept is minus 1. So the point of intersection will be 0, 1. 0, 1. Now you see that here these two lines are, this is nothing but x plus y minus 1 is equals to 0. And this one is that x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. So now here that angular bisectors of one is that y axis. One is that y axis. Y axis means x is equals to 0. So and another one is angular bisectors are perpendicular and passing through their intersecting point. So the another line will be angular bisector is that y is equals to 1 is that another angular bisector. So what are the angular bisectors of this equation? Here let it be, this is that equation 1. Clearly from figure, see, angular bisectors are always perpendicular. One is that internal angular bisector and other one is external angular bisector. Angular bisectors will be passes through and are concurrent with the given pair of equation. I mean, this pair of equation is intersecting at what point? The angular bisectors also passes through that point. So from that figure, angular bisectors, equations of angular bisectors angular bisectors. So please all of you observe this one. One equation is that x is equals to 0, that is the y-axis, and another one is that is the y is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1. Now what is the given question? Area of the triangle formed by the line x plus y is equals to 3 and angular bisectors of pair of the straight line x square minus y square plus 2y is equals to 1. So again you draw that figure, one more figure. Here you draw that one more figure by using that angular bisectors. This one is that xy plane. This is that xy plane. This is that xy plane. Here that first equation is that what? Here is that one line is nothing but angular bisector is that y-axis. Y-axis is nothing but this one. And another line will be nothing but y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1 means parallel to x-axis. So this is that y is equals to 1. And now the next equation is x plus y is equals to 3 means this one is that intersecting, this one will be formed. So here is that this total length is nothing but, see all of you, see this one. This total length is nothing but 3. Okay, already this length is that 1. So the remaining part of this length is equals to 2. Okay, and next one now, here these lines are y is equals to 1. This one is that what? X plus y is equals to 3. If you write that y is equals to 1, x is equals to 2. So here this point is nothing but 2, 1. 2, 1 means now this length will be equals to, here is that this length will be equals to 2 and this length is equals to 1. Okay, so the required area will be, this one is the required area, because you have to find that area of the triangle formed by angular bisector and the line x plus y is equals to 3. Here this is the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. What is that area of the triangle? Therefore required area is equals to, required area is equals to half into base is nothing but this length is that base. This length is equals to 2 units and the height is nothing but this one, that is also the 2 units. Here 1, 2 will be cancelled, that is equals to required value is that 2 square units. So your answer will be nothing but option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. So this is the very most important question. So this one is already given in that previous mains and advanced single answer type questions. So please all of you try to understand this question. It's a very simple question and very most important question. Now we will see that one more question. Okay, see this problem. If the pair of lines a into x square plus 2 into a plus b into xy plus by square is equals to 0. Clearly this is the homogeneous equation. So here you write that given equation. What is the given equation? Given that this one is that a into x square plus 2 into a plus b into xy plus by square is equals to 0. Okay, this is the homogeneous and it represents the lines passing through the origin. So and see this given question. The pair of lines lie along diameter of a circle and divide the circle into 4 sectors such that area of one of the sectors is thrice area of the another sector. That means area of the sector will be depending on that angle. See this one here. First you understand that figure. Here you understand that figure. So these are the diameters. So diameters means point of intersection will be center. Okay, this center will be nothing but origin. Now here that area of the one sector is thrice the area of the another one. Suppose here the angle is that theta. Now here the angle will be nothing but 3 theta. We know the straight angle will be 180 degrees. That means here theta will be equals to pi by 4. Then 3 theta will be equals to what? That is that 3 pi by 4. Now here is that thrice the area of the another sector. So you have to find that. Already we know that angle between the lines represented by the homogeneous equation is tan theta is equals to modulus of 2 into square root of h square minus a into b whole divided by a plus b. You know this formula from the introduction of a pair of straight lines. Here you write that, here you take that either this angle or this angle. Suppose if you take this angle, area of the sector, suppose this area will be nothing but suppose some x or delta. Then this area will be nothing but what? 3 delta. So here you take that theta is equals to 143 theta is equals to, therefore tan of 3 pi by 4, because of 3 theta, area of the sector is that thrice the area of this one. So that means you have to take that angle is that 3 theta modulus of 2 into root of, what is the h value? 2h is that 2 into a plus b. H value is that a plus b. A plus b whole square minus a into b whole divided by a is that x square coefficient. In given equation also x square coefficient is a, y square coefficient is b. So no change in the denominator. That means this value. Now tan of 3 pi by 4 value will be minus 1 is equals to modulus of 2 into root of a plus b whole square minus a into b whole divided by a plus b. Right? Now you do the squaring on both sides and cross multiply. This one is becomes that a plus b whole square is equals to, this total value is that 4 into square and root will be cancelled. A plus b whole square minus a into b. Now here a plus b whole square, here 4 into a plus b whole square. By getting this one in the left hand side, this becomes that 3 into a plus b whole square minus 4ab is equals to 0. Right? Now you simplify this value. That implies this one is becomes that 3 into a square plus 2ab into 3 is the 6ab. 6ab minus 4ab is that plus 2 into ab plus 3 into b square is equals to 0. So you have that required condition will be 3a square plus 2ab plus 3b square is equals to 0. So this is also very important question. So what is the correct option in this one? So your correct answer will be, here is that first option is the correct answer. 3a square plus 2ab plus 3b square. First option is the correct answer. Okay. Now we'll see that one more question. Okay. See this problem. In this one, first you understand that image of any curve with respect to y-axis, image of a point, first you understand that fundamental concept. This is that xy plane. This is that xy plane. Okay. Now, suppose if you take that any point x comma y in this one, image of this point with respect to x-axis means now x comma minus y. That means you have to replace y by minus y. Y by minus y. Similarly, image of the point x comma y with respect to y-axis is minus x comma y. That means now you have to replace x by minus x. So according this fundamental concept, in this problem, the equation of image of pair of lines y is equals to modulus of x minus 1. Now image here is that with respect to in y-axis. That means with respect to y-axis. Now here replace now image of pair of lines. Image of pair of lines in y-axis. That means according to this formula, you have to replace x by minus x in this one. That value will be equals to y is equals to modulus of minus x minus 1. So that implies minus you can take as the common. This one will be equals to y is equals to modulus of x plus 1. So this is that one equation. So you see that given options, first option will be correct answer. But the same equation, here modulus means a plus or minus. Now you can also write that pair of equation. How can we write that pair of equation? Now squaring on both sides. This one is, that implies y square is equals to x plus 1 whole square. Simplify this value, that implies y square is equals to x square plus 2 into x plus 1. 2 into x plus 1. You get that y square is to the right side. That becomes x square minus y square plus 2x plus y is 1 is equals to 0. So that means one more expression also you have to this question. So that means this one is having that two options are there. One is the first option is the correct answer, and next one is that x square minus y square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. That is that option C. So here this question is a more than one answer type question. So your answers will be that A and C are the correct answers. Okay. So please all of you understand how to find that image of any curve with respect to either x-axis or y-axis. With respect to x-axis means you have to replace y by minus y. With respect to y-axis means you have to replace x by minus x in the given curve. Suppose with respect to the origin, means then we should replace x by minus x and y by minus y. So please you remember the fundamental point. Okay. So I hope that everybody understand this question. Right, we'll see the next problem. Okay. See this problem. Circumcenter of triangle formed by xy plus 2x plus 2y plus 4 is equals to 0 and x plus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Now first everybody understand how to find the circumcenter, not only the circumcenter. So first you understand that the given equation x into y plus 2x plus 2y plus 4 is equals to 0. This one is the non-homogeneous equation. Now here x square and y square terms are not given. Then this equation will be represent the two perpendicular lines. What are those lines? Here these lines will be x plus 2 into y plus 2 is equals to 0. These are the factors. Therefore, one line will be x plus 2 is equals to 0, or another line is that y plus 2 is equals to 0. So these are the two lines. X plus 2 is equals to 0 is that always a vertical line. This one is that vertical line. And y plus 2 is equals to 0 is that always that horizontal line. So these are the perpendicular lines. This one is that what? X plus 2 is equals to 0. And this one is that y plus 2 is equals to 0. And the another equation is that what? The given equation is x plus y plus 2 is equals to 0. This is the given equation. This is also given equation, but from this one we got it that factors. So here these two are that perpendicular to each other, and this one is that third side. Now this one will be the third side, means here this is the third side, right? This one will be x plus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Clearly this is the right angle triangle. Now this vertex is nothing but a point of intersection of perpendicular sides, minus 2 comma minus 2, right? And by solving this one and this one, if you write that y is equals to minus 2, that means x will be equals to 0. So that is equals to 0 comma minus 2. And if we write that x is equals to minus 2, this value will be minus 2 comma y is equals to 0. So look at this one. You have that all vertices of the triangle. Generally, we know that in a right angle triangle, clearly it forms a right angle triangle. Clearly, it is a right angle triangle. It is a right angled triangle. Okay. Say, in a right angled triangle, first point is that orthocenter is equals to, orthocenter is the right angled vertex. What is the right angled vertex? Minus 2 comma minus 2. And the next one is that circumcenter. Now in this problem you have to find the circumcenter. Circumcenter is equals to midpoint of the hypotenuse. What is the midpoint of the hypotenuse? Minus 1 comma minus 1. And next one is that after we know that centroid. Centroid is nothing but sum of the x coordinates by 2, 3. Sum of the y coordinates by 3. So like that you can find it. And next one is that also you can find that incenter of the triangle. But you remember here the important thing is when a second degree non-homogeneous is given, if it does not contain that x square and y square terms, then the equation will be represent the lines which are perpendicular, right? So that means one is the non-homogeneous equation and another one is that equation of the straight line, linear equation. Now totally these will be form a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, everybody knows that what is the orthocenter? Right angled vertex. And circumcenter will be that midpoint of the hypotenuse. So this one is that minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, right. So thank you for watching this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe this channel.